The enteron sewage treatment plant needs a weekly maintenance. Over the time, sludge collects at the bottom of each tank, and to avoid it, what's in there needs to be circulated from each tank into the collecting tank once a week. And that is really easy. Let me show you how it's done. On this remote control you see the heartbeat of the system. As long as it is flashing like this, everything is fine. When it shows a red steady light and the display on the control panel says pump, it is time for your weekly maintenance. To start the cleaning process, you just turn the manual switch to the right and the mag-out switch to the right. As soon as the pump starts, you can turn the manual switch back to its normal position so you don't forget it later on. And then you go to the enteron to adjust the position of the valves. The standard position of the valves, as you see on the back of the manual, is like this. The red valve is open to all three sides and the blue one is closed. For your weekly maintenance, you switch your red valve to this position so it only sucks from the first tank. You leave it like this for about 30 seconds and you check if all the pipes are running free and nothing is clogged. Then you switch it to this position so it only sucks from the second tank. You leave it again like this for about 30 seconds and check the pipes. Then you open the blue valve and switch the red valve into this position, in this order, so it only sucks from the third tank. You check the pipes again and make sure that nothing is clogged. After 2 minutes the pump stops and you switch all the valves back to their normal position. And that's it. The weekly maintenance on your enteron is done and it is good to go for another week.